Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today, it's very much a spring-summer makeup look because guess what? It's here. It's finally here. I feel like we had a winter for so long and we finally have some spring-summer coming our way. And so, if you want this makeup look, then keep on watching. So the eyeshadow palette that I will be working with today is this Makeup Revolution Game of Thrones, and the first color I will go in with is Rebellious, which is this orange right here. And I want to use my Essence Eye Blender brush that looks like this and put this in the crease and fan it out, but also use a flat brush to bring the orange on the lower lashes as well. Then I want to take the flat brush and use the same orange for intensifying in the middle of the crease and putting the orange on the lower lash line. I want to put it a little bit more than half, maybe. I know from experience that the yellow that I will put next have a hard time showing up on my skin. So what I will do to intensify the yellow is that instead of using concealer to create a cut crease for this, I will use a white eyeliner pencil because it's the only white base that I have. So I'm taking the Catrice Kohl Kajal in the shade 020 Tweed White, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna draw the cut crease basically. Then I'll take the same eyeshadow palette and just go in with the yellow, which is the Persistence right here. Then I will go in with a mix of my finger and a flat brush like this. It's the same as before. I just wiped off any excess product. And what you want to do is put that yellow on top of the white. Then I want to go ahead and put some eyeliner on, and I'm taking the Dipliner Ink from H&M that looks like this. And I do have a eyeliner tutorial, and I will try to link it up here. So if you don't know how, you can take a watch. Then I want to curl my lashes. Then I will put mascara on my upper lashes only, and I'm taking the Maybelline The Colossal. Then I want to take just an eyeliner pencil. This is a twist up one, and it looks like this. Has no brand name or nothing like that. And I just want to put that on my upper waterline in the outer half. That way, if I don't want to put it all the way in, because then it will transfer down, and I don't like that. It looks like a mess. At least that's what happens to me. So I like to focus it out in the outer half. Then I want to put on some simple fake lashes, and I have these from Eylure London. It's a 3/4 length lashes, and they look like these. These are just to enhance the lashes that I already have. They're not too dramatic, they're just perfect for that. Then I want to put on some highlighter, and I think what I want is something soft. So I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Cheeky Kit Take a Breather, and I want to go in with actually this, hold on, this right here. And I'm usually take like a big fluffy brush for larger areas of my face. Then I take a eyeshadow brush like this one for my eyebrow bone, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Then I like to take a really small detailed brush and just put that in the inner corner, dab it. I don't want to drag it necessarily. I don't want to go too crazy because I don't want like the brightness of my inner corner to be too much of the focus, so that is enough. Then I want to put on some lipstick, and I'm lining my lips with the W70 All-Rounder in the shade Fling, and this is the shade. Then I'm taking the Technic pink lipstick, and it looks like this. Then I want to finish this off by putting on some setting spray, and I'm taking the W7 the Dewy Fixer that looks like this. And here you have the finished look, a very much a spring summer makeup look. I love the yellow and orange together. They complement each other so well, and I love that you can definitely see the pop of yellow by putting the white underneath. The yellow would not be this bright if you didn't put white underneath. And I also love adding the eyeliner, that way it adds a little drama to the eyes, but also helps with the shape that we already created with the yellow and orange. And I did go for the more muted down pink lips, and pink is just something that looks good on me, and I wanted something more muted down so that the focus is my eyes and not my lips, because that was the original idea. So choosing a color that complements you and the eyeshadow look is a must for this. And so that is everything I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to give a big thanks to everybody that is subscribed, everybody that watches, likes, comments, and shares my videos. And if you're new here, welcome to our corner of YouTube. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!